Welcome to the Celebrity Stars, and I'm Wendy Walker. Here with me, I have Ignite from Incognito Studios, all the way from the sunny side of Los Angeles, California. I'm so glad you're visiting us here in New York, New York. So, tell us about your newly MPS tracks that'll be catching on fire in less than 3 hours from now.
Yes, Wendy. The best sound anyone has ever heard in their lives. It's being designed and crafted for the young mind. I believe in giving back to the next generation.
So Ignite, how can they get access to this music in the next 5 hours?
Simple as a click of a button, Wendy. It's that simple. It's an MP3 download, and it's hot, on fire. A new techno sound that makes you feel like you're on top of the world. And I can't wait for our young people to get a hold of it.
Wow, I'm excited, and I know the world is excited, and I know they can't wait to hear it.
Yeah, Wendy. It's something phenomenal, like no other.